Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly memorizing to share with you. Unboxing and review the magnificent Banarasi ghatchola Bandej silk sari adorned with heavy zari work, and the best part, it's available at just 1250. As we open the package, we are greeted with a burst of color and intricate design. The Banarasi ghatchola Bandej silk fabric feels incredibly soft and luxurious in our hand. The vibrant hue and detailed pattern instantly catch our attention. Let's take a closer look at the heavy zari work on the sari, the golden thread shimmer and sparkle adding a touch of opulence to the overall design. The craftsmanship in impeccable, reflecting the rich heritage of Banaras silk sari. Now let's drape the sari and see how it looks. The fabric drape beautifully created elegant pleats, and the rich color and intricate zari work instantly elevate the entire ensemble. Whether it's a festive celebration or wedding, the sari is sure to make head turn. So guys, the Banarasi ghatchola Bandej silk sari with heavy zari work is truly masterpiece. Its execute design, beautiful color and affordable mark it an irresistible choice for every sari lovers. So you go ahead and this beautiful to your collection. Thank you for watching our unboxing and review of the Banarasi ghatchola Bandej silk sari with heavy zari work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fabulous fashion finds. Until next time, take care and stay stylish. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.